In this video, we're going to take a look at how to use Shop Ware's Remote Pay feature. From the job screen, select the work order you wish to collect a payment on. Your first step is to make sure that the job is closed. Once the job is closed, you can click on Share at the bottom of the work order. Then choose Share with Customer. You can email an invitation or text an invitation, or you can even copy the share link and use it manually in some other way. Edit the message if you wish to, and once complete, send to customer. When your customer clicks on the link, they'll be brought to a page where they can click Checkout. Once they do, they'll be able to fill out their payment form and will be given the option to give a signature as well as go through CAPTCHA. Once complete, they'll click Pay with Card. Once the payment has been processed, they'll be presented with their receipt and will have the option to email a copy to themselves. Back in Shop Ware, if you return to the work order and scroll to the bottom, you'll see record of the payment in the payment log. And that's how you use Shop Ware's Remote Pay.